And now we see the first twist in this outline, because we see in the Old Testament, they drew water out of the well, and Jesus says, this is no longer about the physical. And he introduces this first twist. He says, I'm here to offer you living water. With this well, you'll thirst again. When you draw water from the living water, when you draw from the source of who I am, you will never thirst again. And Jesus is introducing us to this idea that anything else is gonna leave you thirsty. But with Jesus, you shall not want. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. And then the conversation starts to get very personal. Go and get your husband, Jesus tells her. Well, I don't have a husband, the woman replied. Jesus said, you are right. You don't have a husband. For you have had 5 husbands, and you aren't even married to the man that you're living with now. You certainly have spoken the truth. Sir, the woman said, you must be a prophet. So tell me, why is it that you Jews insist that Jerusalem is the only place of worship, while we Samaritans claim it is here at Mount Gerizim, where our ancestors worshiped? Jesus replied, believe me, dear woman, the time is coming when it will no longer matter whether you worship the Father on this mountain or here in Jerusalem. But the time is coming, indeed it is here now, when true worshipers will worship the Father in spirit and in truth.